Hey sailors, today I'm going to walk you through the perfect spreader placement and angles for your mast rigging. If you want to maximize your rigging performance and keep everything safe, you've come to the right place. First up, let's talk about spreader placement. For a single spreader configuration, you want to place it at 50 to 52% of your mast length. Measure this length upward from the deck, not from the bottom of the mast. Now, if you have double spreaders, here's the lowdown. The lower spreader should be positioned at 37 to 39% of the mast length. Then the upper spreader goes at 68 to 70% of the mast length. This ensures a well-balanced rig and optimal performance. All right, moving on to spreader angles. This is crucial for balanced tension and stability. To get this right, make sure all spreaders perfectly bisect the angle formed by the shrouds at their tips. This means that the spreaders should split the angle of the shrouds evenly on either side, maintaining equal tension. Remember, the goal is to have your spreaders supporting the mast properly, distributing loads evenly and avoiding any unwanted bends or breaks. So to sum it up, get your single spreader at 50 to 52%, double spreaders at 37 to 39% and 68 to 70%, and angle them to bisect the shroud angles perfectly. I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more sailing tips and tutorials. Until next time, keep those sails full and your rigging tight.